Hello, I'm Shubham. Today we're diving into one of PLG OS's most essential features, workspace settings. I'll show you how to configure your workspace for your team and how these settings lay the foundation for seamless collaboration. Let's begin with the configuration. From your main dashboard, navigate to Settings in the left sidebar and select the Workspace Details tab. Here you can update your workspace name and bio and upload a logo to visually customize your space. Click the Save button to apply your updates. Now, let's talk about collaboration. In the Settings menu, select the Manage Admins tab. This is where you can invite new users to your workspace. As the owner, simply click the Invite Team Member button to grant them access. This is the first step to transparent teamwork. Once invited, your team can collaborate in real time on shared documents, campaigns, and feedback and insights in one shared workspace.
Additionally, for switching workspace, click on your profile at the bottom of the sidebar, choose Switch Workspace, and select the one you want to work in from the list. So, that's how you set up your workspace for both efficiency and collaboration. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on maximizing your PLGOS experience.